Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to hide any folder from the search results in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So let me open the Windows File Explorer. So you can see here on the right top corner here, you can see here search this PC, right? So if I search any topic or word or any letter alphabet, it will display all the folder files, everything that is present in my Windows hard disk storage, right? So I want to hide or exclude a particular folder from not showing while I search any word or files in my Windows computer. So to do this, what you need to do is just move your mouse cursor to the start menu and just open the settings, and after that you need to go to this privacy and security. Just click this option, and now just scroll down below, and now you can see here one option named as searching Windows. Just click on it. Now you can see here below exclude folders from enhanced search. So you can see here some folders already included by default, which will not be shown while you search any programs or files in your Windows computer. So to add a particular folder, you can see on the right side add an excluded folder. Just click on it and locate to the drive or the folder where you have saved. So in my case, say I want to hide a folder name as temporary, right? So I want to exclude this folder from the Windows search result, right? So once you select it, you can see here select folder. Just click on select folder. Now it is being added. Now you can see your folder name is temporary has been added to this exclude folder from the enhanced search. So now if you go to the File Explorer and start searching any files, then these folders which have been added under this option exclude folders from enhanced search on be showing you in the search results. So this is how you can hide or exclude any folder from the search results in Windows computer very easily. So if you never known about these options present in Windows computer, then you can definitely check it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.